Hey guys, welcome back. All right, quick little video on how to repair your faucet if you need to. What kind of faucet this is, I don't know. I don't know the brand, don't know nothing on it. But see, it's leaking and it's also leaking here. So what you have to do, there's a little stop lock or whatever you want to call it. You take out with an Allen key. Take the handle, pull it off. These are going to be stuck on, so you actually have to put a little force on to get it off. Take your little collar off and a little locking retainer. Take a towel, tighten it back up. What it is, this collar gets loose and it'll make it leak and it'll make it drip down into your underneath cabinet. If you want, you can take a wrench, put on here, and lock it down a little further. Just remember, the seals inside of it and everything are plastic and rubber, and if you over tighten it, you can crush them. So it's usually just a good, little more than hand tight. Put your little ring back on. Put your collar back on. Put your handle back on. Take your little lock. I wasn't going to film this, but Patty's like, hey, I would have just bought a whole new faucet. So show y'all how to fix it instead. Sometimes these can be a booger depending on how much, a little bit of corrosion or dirt or trash you've got in them. Like this one's going to be a pain now. A lot of times it's just getting it lined up. It's all about the angle. Let's get it started. Tighten it up till it doesn't turn. There you go. No more leak here, no more leak here. Just by, sorry about that, battery died. Filming other videos. But yeah, that's how you fix it. Pretty simple. So, save you some money on buying a new faucet, I guess. Didn't expect that answer. So, catch y'all back next time. Hope this helps y'all out.